a little clip at the front here. You just push both sides and lift it out. And it looks like the actual arm goes through this bit here and hooks around the front. I'll get this done. Should be pretty quick to fit. Yep, no bother. Easy like that. Actually looks pretty good. It looks like a modern wiper. Some people on reviews are saying it's slightly smaller, but it looks exactly the same as the old wiper blade, but much improved. So time to get the other side done. Pretty easy as well. I always tend to keep old wiper blades, don't know why. Does anyone else do that? I think they're still not too bad, but maybe just in case I lose one or someone nicks one or something. I've always got a spare. Even if they're like absolutely knackered, I tend not to throw them away and just hold things. Pretty easy to fit that. Pretty cheap fix. Nice cheap mod. And looking pretty good as well. A little bit of play on both of them. Hopefully not making too much noise under the rain, but yeah. Happy to contribute to the reviews if they are good. We'll see. So that's the Bosch twin Aero fitted to the Land Rover. We'll see how good they are or how well they perform in the rain. There should be plenty of rain on the west coast of Scotland, so I think they'll get a good testing out this summer. Now, join me for the next one when I actually service this Land Rover, not just fit an easy part. I'll see you for the next one.